I'm our Grandma Grill Grills. Today I want to talk about our pickup special. We love local business. We love talking with local people that spread the word here locally. And I tell you, one of the things that we want to do is give back to the people that pick it up. Our pricing that you see online is free shipping. We realize that if you come here to visit us, which we hope you do, we get to save some shipping costs. So we want to give that back to you in the form of some product. So basically we're giving you everything you need to get started. If you buy a pellet grill, you're going to get a free bag of fuel. You're going to get one of our sauces, one of our rubs. You're going to get a hat and a shirt of your choice. If you get the Kong, you're going to get a free bag of charcoal, of course. But this is going to give you everything to get started right away. And again, we hope that you can come down and visit us. We got a new showroom here available now. And again, we just want to give back, and we actually really enjoy people coming and hanging out with us. It's usually a 30-minute process. Plus, you get to have a little fun with it. We play cornhole. If you make it in the cornhole game, you actually get a free set of our meat claws, which is always fun. Usually the kids get to throw and the parents hope they make it. But anyway, come down to see us. We're down here in Holland, and give us a call. And we're here 7 to 5, and we love to see you and get you started off right. And hopefully you have a great summer.